This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, good morning, students. Today class we are going to solve a few problems on calculation on inductance. See, the derivation of inductance part is over. So we derive different types of inductances values for different types of connections, right? Single phase, three phase, and three phase double circuit when it is a symmetrical and symmetrical spacing. So we are all derived that. But now we are going to do some problems based on that. So in sentence point of view, they will give one. They will give the question based on that how we can construct the circuit. After that, you can calculate that by using the formulas that was derived in previous classes. So in this class, we are going to solve the three problems that the three problems was asked in the previous question papers. See, all of you get ready with paper, calculator, and pen. We will start the class now. Right. So today the class is we are going to solve a few more problems on calculation on inductance. So we'll go for first problem. All of you note down the first problem. So I think most of them didn't do this problem. I will tell you that how you solve this. First of all, note down this question. So after note down the question, just inform me. We will start the problem. See, if you complete the means, I will start the problem. First of all, what is the diameter of that each conductor is 2 into 10 power. So all parameters bring to the meters, and its radius is 1 into 10 power minus 2 m. What is the R dash here? 0.7788 into 10 power minus 2. Now, for finding the inductance, that is the see here, the figure shows the arrangement of conductor for single phase supply. The current being equally divided by between y and y dash, and if the diameter of each conductor is 2 centimeters, find the inductance per kilometer of the line. So we have to find the total inductance of conductor 1 as well as conductor 2. What is the formula for inductance? That is total
Psi by I,
inductance.
sir. Psi by I.
In the form of 2 by formula ఉంది కదా ఆ మెథడ్ కావాలి.
Internal flux, sir.
GMD GMR formula రావాలి. 4 into 10 power minus 7 log dm by ds. So this is the formula we have to use for calculating that these two conductors. Now we have to calculate that dm and ds. How we can calculate this? How we can calculate dm? So here it has the n number of conductors equals to 2, and it has the m number of conductors equals to 2. Now just find that what is the value of dm and ds. So here dm is nothing but dm is equals to square root of n into m. So you will get 2 into 2, right? 4. You will get 4th root of d, the distance between dx to y into dxy dash next from y. So dx dash to y and dx dash to y dash. So you will get n is equals to 2, m equals to 2, right? 4th root of what is the distance between dxy? What is the distance between dxy? X and y.
120 centimeters.
Right. So just keep that in meters. So 120 into 10 power minus 2. Okay, now so it will come in meters, right? Similarly, into the distance between x and y dash is 20, 100, 120 plus 20, 140. 140 into 10 power minus 2 into the distance between x dash and y is 100 meters. So 100 into 10 power minus 2 into the last one is dx dash y dash, and its distance is 120 meters. 120 into 10 power minus 2. Now find this value of dm, that is mutual geometric mean distance. I need answer in terms of meters. So GMD means you have to always calculate with respect to reference connected to outer words. So మీరు కండక్టర్ అవన్నీ రెఫరెన్స్ తీసుకుంటే outer conductor distance maintain చేయాలి, ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? So I am taking the conductor one as a reference. Now from this conductor we have to make the distance from each strand to another strand. So x to xy, x to y dash, similarly x dash to y, x dash y dash. ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడ 3 ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, xyz ఉంటే x నుంచి దీనికి x ఒక కండక్టర్ నుంచి 3 వస్తుంది, మొత్తం 9 టైమ్స్ వస్తాయి. ఓకేనా? సో GMD క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసిన పద్ధతి ఇది. వాట్ ఇస్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ GMD? dm. What is the value of dm?
5.679, sir.
రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ సురేష్. సో చూసుకో, ఫోర్త్ రూట్ ఇది, నాట్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్, ఫోర్త్ రూట్. Right, answer came 1.1915 meters. So the DM value is 1.1915 meter. Have you all got this value, students? See, while calculating this type of calculations, be careful. If you did one mistake, the entire question, entire answer will be wrong. So carefully do the values. Now I will find that DS value, that is self GMD value. Now see here, we are taking this is the conductor as a reference, right? Now the DS formula is DS equals to n square. So we are taking that conductor 1 as a reference. It has the n number of conductors, right? That's why I'm taking the n square, n into n, and square root of, here we have to make that self distance and internal distance find out cheyali. Similarly, first dxx, that is self distance. Similar next dx x dash. So first x నుంచి x కి, తర్వాత x నుంచి x dash కి. Next dx dash x dash and dx dash x. So this is the way of we have to find that self GM. అంటే ఒక కండక్టర్ లో ఉన్న డిఫరెంట్ స్ట్రాండ్స్ కి ఈ విధంగా కనుక్కోవాలి. అదే G అంటే మ్యూచువల్ GM అంటే కండక్టర్ టు కండక్టర్. ఓకేనా? Now here n is a number of, how many number of conductors we have? 2, right? So 2 square is 4th root of, and what is the dxs value? So dxs is called as self distance, that is r dash. What we got the r dash value here? R dash value is 0.7788 into 10 power minus 2 into, what is the distance between x and x dash? 20 centimeter. 20 into 10 power minus 2. Next dx dash x dash is also self distance, right? So 0.7788 into 10 power minus 2. So ఇది వచ్చేసి ఆల్ డాష్ వాల్యూ ఆల్రెడీ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం కదా. నెక్స్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ x dash to x, that is same value, 20 into 10 power minus 2. Find the value of ds. I need answer in terms of meters. ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్ చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఉంటుంది. ఒకటి మీరు కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఉంటే దీని అంత ఈజీ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఏం లేదు. ఇఫ్ యూ నాట్ లిజనింగ్ అప్ విత్ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్, యూ కాంట్ ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ద ప్రాబ్లం. 0.39, right? So ds value is 0.0394. So now after finding these two values, that is GMD and GMR, now we go for that inductance formula. See the inductance formula for total, so actually ఒక కండక్టర్ కి అయితే 2 into 10 power 7 వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ 2 కండక్టర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో these 2 conductors are in parallel. So you have the equation is 4 into 10 power minus 7 ln dm by ds. What is the units of this formula?
Henry per meter, sir.
Right, Henry per meter. Now I want to convert this formula with respect to Henry per kilometer. So let me see how it will be the equation. L equals to 4 into 10 power minus 4. So 10 power minus 3, denominator డినామినేటర్ తీసుకుంటే ఏమొస్తుంది 10 క్యూబ్ అవుతుంది. దెన్ ఆ 10 క్యూబ్ ఇస్ కన్వర్టెడ్ టు ద మీటర్ టు కిలోమీటర్. log dm divided by ds Henry per kilometer. So students, keep concentration on what we have to find, whether that value should be with respect to the kilometer or meter. So చాలా మంది మిస్టేక్ చేశారు ఏంటంటే డైరెక్ట్ గా ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సబ్మిట్ చేసి వదిలేస్తారు. బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు చెక్ వెదర్ దే ఆర్ ఆస్క్డ్ ఫర్ ద meter or kilometer. It is so important. Now substitute dm and ds value here, then find the inductance value. ఒకవేళ మీరు ప్రాబ్లమ్ అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకోకపోతే అడగండి. ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ దట్ హౌ యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్. ఎందుకంటే చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఏ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో కానీ ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీరు ఫేస్ చేయగలుగుతారు. రైట్, 0.001363 రైట్ ఆన్సర్. సో ద ఇండక్టెన్స్ ఈస్ 0.001363 Henry per kilometer. On the same value you can write L equals to 1.1363 millihenry per kilometer. So this is the answer for this question. Kushan Dasha. Okay, students, I will have completed this problem. Next, we will go for next one. Right, we go for next problem. So the answer is 1.36 millihenry per kilometer. Next, note down the second problem. సో నోట్ చేసుకున్నాక చెప్పండి. విల్ స్టార్ట్ ద ప్రాబ్లం. Right. See here, what the question they asked means the two conductors of a single phase line, each of 1 centimeter diameter, are arranged in a vertical plane. So we have the two a single phase, one is phase and neutral, and two conductors of single phase line, each of 1 centimeter diameter, are arranged in vertical plane. So we have to take the two conductors, conductor A and A dash, and each one having that 1 centimeter as a diameter, and this vertical plane with one conductor mounted 1 meter above the other. So the distance between these two is 1 meter. Or 10 centimeter, 100 centimeter we can write. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So this is the phase line. Now, a second identical line is mounted at the same height as the first and second. So now we are placing the neutral line that is denoted by B and B dash. And the distance between the first and second horizontal is 30 centimeter. So horizontal, the distance between the conductor phase and neutral is 30 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Right. So this is the way of arranging. So just listen the question, read the question carefully. They ask, what they ask means the two conductors of a single phase line, each of 1 centimeter diameter, are arranged in a vertical plane. Vertical means one and above, with one conductor is mounted 1 meter above the other. So first of all, we have to take one of the single phase line. It has the two conductors, and these two conductors are arranged one on another, and each conductor having the diameter is 1 centimeter, and these two vertical conductors are displaced by 1 meter or 100 centimeter. After that, we have to consider the same identical line having the same height, and these two conductors are, that is conductor 1, it is conductor 1 and it is conductor 2, and these two are displaced by the 30 centimeter. So 30 into 10 power 2 meter. Okay, now the upper and lower conductors are connected in parallel. So the upper and lower connected in parallel. So these are the parallel connection, and determine the inductance per kilometer of the resulting of double circuit. So this is single phase double circuit under. Actually, a single phase under one phase on neutral. So it has a double circuit, right? So that's why you can see from this, you can get idea whether you have to take the single circuit or double circuit. Okay. So now we have to take that. We have to find that inductance of a double circuit. Generally, the inductance of a single phase line, what we have, 2 into 10 power minus 7 log d by r dash. This is for single conductor. Now we have to find the double circuit, right? So the formula is L equals to 4 into 10 power minus 7 log ds by dm by ds. So this is the formula. We have to find that inductance of a resulting double circuit per kilometer. Just first note down the circuit, then only you can understand that. So the given diameter is for each conductor is 1 centimeter, that is 1 into 10 power minus 2 meter, and the radius is 0.5 10 power minus 2 meter. What is r dash value? 0.7788 into r. Find the what is the value of r, that is r dash. Find the value of r dash. Students, first of all, what are the parameters they ask? They given in the question. You have to convert all parameters in terms of meters. Then only you can. So why? Because the formula we have that is in the form of Henry per meter, right? Right. So answer 0.003894. Right. So right answer for R dash. So R dash value is 0.003894. So this is what we have to calculate that R dash. Now we'll find that is self DM and DS value. So this we have the two conductors. So this is the conductor 1 and it is conductor 2, and this two are a double circuit. It is called A dash, B dash. The distance between A and A dash is 1 meter. The distance between these two conductors is 30 centimeter. So you can write 0.3 meter. Now we have to calculate that DM value. So it has the conductor one has the n number of conductors, n number of strands, and it has the n number of m number of strands. Totally m equals to 2 and m equals to 2. Right? So DM formula is nm square root of the distance between DAB, the distance between DAB dash. Similarly, the distance between A dash B, the distance between A dash B dash. Find the value of this one. See, this is the conductor A and B, right? The distance between A and B is 30 centimeter. So you can write 4th root of the DAB is the distance between A conductor A and B is 0.3 meter into DAB. Sorry, DAB dash. How we can calculate DAB dash? What is the distance between DAB dash? So for calculating DAB dash, first of all, you have to take from what is the distance between A and A dash. Again, A dash to so totally you will get the distance between A and B dash. So it will come 1 square plus 0.3 square. That value I have substituted here. So its value is 1.044 into DA dash B. So from here A dash to B dash and B dash to D. So it is also have the same problem, same value 1.044, and finally the distance between A dash and B dash is 30, that is 0.3. Find the value of D. Yeah. So DM so more good to get connected. So they're asking so it has the two types of problems. When the conductors are placed in a series, and a series the connector, then we can go like last what we discussed in the last problem, that first problem. So first one మనం ఎలా find out చేసాం అలా చేయాలి. Otherwise, when the two conductors are in parallel, we have to go like this. So two models ఉన్నాయి. When the all conductors are connected in series, we go for one method. If the some conductors are in parallel, we go for this method. Then find out what is the value of DM. Of 0.5596, right answer. So the DM value is 0.5596. So this is the mutual GMD value, mutual geometric mean distance. That is, the GMD mutual means from one conductor to another conductor. Self GMD means within the conductor we have to find the stance distances. Now we are going to calculate the DS value. So now I am choosing the conductor 1 as this reference vector, and it has the two conductors, namely A and A dash, and second conductor has that B and B dash. Now I'm calculating that self GMR, right? Self GMD. So that is, we have to consider only one conductor, and its formula is DS is equals to, it has the n number of conductors, that is equals to 2. Its formula is n square root of D, that is first self distance AA into DAA dash. So మన కండక్టర్ లో two strands ఉన్నాయి, A dash strand. First strand A యొక్క self distance plus into strand A to A dash. So our two distance వచ్చాయి. Next వచ్చేసి from strand A dash. So similarly the self distance of A dash and the distance between A dash and A. This is the way of calculating that self GMD. And here we have the two number of conductors. So you will get 4th root of the distance between DAA is nothing but a R dash, and the distance between A and A dash is 1 meter into A dash, that is R dash, into 1. Find the value of DS. So here R dash is 0.00389. Find the value of DS. (0.0624 meter, right? So its DS value is 0.0624 meter. Now this is the, so that's why I already told you that even every problem in the first unit we have to calculate as startly GMD GMR. Then only you can calculate that L value. So అందుకని మీకు చెప్పాను GMD GMR అంత ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అని. ఓకేనా? So after finding this GMD and GMR, that is DM and DS, then directly we can substitute in the equation that is given by L equals to 4 into, so they are asking that total double circuit 10 into 10 power minus 7 log dm by ds, and its units is Henry per meter. But we require the value of inductance in terms of kilometer. So the same equation we can write in the form of kilometer is 10 into 10 power minus 4 log dm by ds Henry per kilometer. So I will ask formulas also in our strip test. So formulas కూడా అడుగుదాం, జాగ్రత్త ప్రతి ఒక్క ఫార్ములా నేర్చుకోండి. Just substitute dm and ds in this equation. Find the L value. (0.8774 milliampere per kilometer), right answer. So the L value is 0.8774 millihenry per kilometer. Now we go for next problem. So this is the answer. You can see in the screen 0.8774 millihenry per kilometer. Right. So this is the third problem and last problem in this class. Just note of this. See here, a single phase overhead line is 25 kilometer long. Is to be constructed of conductor 1.5 centimeter diameter. Calculate that maximum spacing between the conductors in order that the loop inductance of a conductor is not more than 0.05 henries per meter. See here, they given here, they given that a single phase overhead line having that distance, that is its length long is 25 kilometer, is to be constructed of conductor 1.5 centimeter diameter. So it means that you have to take the two conductors, one is phase, another one is neutral, and each one having the diameter is d is equals to 1.5 centimeter. And we have what we have to find means what is the maximum spacing between these two conductors. So we have to calculate that d value. Okay, now here length is different and d is different. Length ante length lo vachesi towers kuda vastayi, towers vastayi, insulator length mottam vastundi. But in the case of spacing, so we are calculating only spacing between the conductors. So the length anukovakandi, so it is wrong. Okay, now here there what is calculated that maximum spacing between the conductors in order that loop conductance ante ippudu man total conductance icharu. So what is the total inductance value for single phase? L equals to 10 power minus 7 log d by r dash. సో ఇక్కడ సేమ్ d by r dash వస్తుంది. ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అంటే కాంపోజిట్ కండక్టర్స్ ఉంటే dm by ds రావాలి. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ కండక్టర్ అంటే దీంట్లో ఒకటి ఉంది, దీంట్లో ఒకటి ఉంది. సో దట్స్ వై వి టేక్ దట్ d by r dash. Now from this equation we have to calculate the d value. So let me say how we can calculate. So ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి ఆ L value ఇచ్చాడు. L value వచ్చేసి this is the Henry per meter. ఓకేనా? తర్వాత వచ్చేసి దే గివెన్ ఆన్సర్ హెన్రీ per kilometer. సో ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు ఇండక్టెన్స్ వాల్యూ? Loop inductance per meter. So L value is given by 0.08. So how we can convert 25 kilometer to 25 meter? Sorry, kilometer to meter. 25,000 meter. Now find the value of this one. L is equals to 0.08 divided by 24,000. So already they given the inductance value, that is 0.08 per meter. So they given the total length of the transmission line, that is 25,000. So if you want to find that inductance value Henry per meter, 0. It's the wrong answer. 0.08 divided by 25,000. So here they given that inductance value per meter 0.08, and we have the length in the terms of kilometer. So you can write in the form of 25,000. Now the numerator we can write 8 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 25 into here you will get 10 cubed. If you bring this outside, 10 power minus 3. So finally we will get inductance value is 3.2 into 10 power minus 6 meter. Three point two 10 power minus 6 meter. Now find the R dash value. 0.7788. So the given diameter is 1.5. So if you want to convert the radius, 0.75 into 10 power minus 2. Find the R dash. So R dash value you will get 0.5841 into 10 power minus 2. So this is the R dash value. Now we will substitute that final equation, then we can find that value of D. Our equation is L equals to 4 into 10 power minus 7 log D by R dash. So from this we have to find this one, log D by R dash equals to L divided by 4 into 10 power minus 7. So this equation we can write ln D minus ln R dash 1 divided by 4 L divided by 4 into 10 power minus 7, and bring this value this side, then you will get ln D equals to some x value. So some way x value వస్తుంది. So అప్పుడు D ఎలా చూసుకోవాలంటే D is equals to e power that x, then you can calculate the D value here. So ఇక్కడ D value ఏమొస్తుందంటే D is equals to 17.4 meters. So ఇక్కడ మీకు ఏ స్టెప్ అర్థం కాకుండా అడగండి. So we have only few minutes time, 10 minutes మాత్రమే ఉంది మనకు. సో ఇంతటితో మనకు ఇండక్టెన్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అయిపోయింది. సో మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే మేక్ ద టేబుల్, ఒక టేబుల్ ఫార్మాట్ లో రాసి ఒక కాలం లో టైప్ మోడ్ అండ్ ఇంకొక కాలం లో వచ్చేసి ఫార్ములా. సో ఆ విధంగా నాకు ఇండక్టెన్స్ పైన ఏ ఫార్ములాస్ అయితే ఉన్నాయో అవన్నీ పేపర్ లో రాసి నాకు అసైన్మెంట్ లో సబ్మిట్ చేయండి రేపు లోపల, ఓకేనా? అండ్ సో ఇలా రాయడం వల్ల ఏంటంటే దెన్ యూ కెన్ ఐడెంటిఫై దట్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద కంపారిజన్ బిట్వీన్ దట్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ డిఫరెంట్ మోడ్ ఆఫ్ కనెక్షన్స్. Have you all got that D value? Right. Okay, students. This is about today class. So I'm going to end this class now. So I will send you that more problems on the inductance later. Okay now. So we don't have much time. That's why we finish about 3 questions. So make materials send us a number of problems, send us some solutions. Okay now. Right. I'm going to end this class now.